Support the channel by buying merchandise at nightmareonyourstreet.shop. All right, we're here with Traven. He's one of the high school students in the high school build-off. He is the welding division. He's been welding for us and stuff. Jacob's behind the camera. He is in auto mechanics and welding. And then Mary's sitting here making fun of all of us right now. Hey. Anyhow, Traven's got his 96 Mustang GT up here. When he bought this car, it only had one tailpipe. It had a V6 mod. So we've got this took off, and his exhaust is a little janky. It's he's run over the railroad tracks a few times too many. Jumped it a few times too many, right?
Identifies a truck.
Yeah, it's halfway a truck. But anyhow, we're gonna break the exhaust loose, straighten it up, weld some pieces up, and put him some dumps on it. And then we're gonna take it out, see how it sounds. For dumps, after we fix his Flowmaster's next pipe up a little bit, we're gonna do some 3-inch dumps. It's 2.5 inch out the back, but we're gonna weld around the muffler to make it look a little bit cooler and nicer. The bigger the better. First, we gotta break the exhaust from the manifolds. So we're gonna spray his bolts down so we don't strip them out, because these things are bad for doing that. Come on, Traven. So what we're about to do is, if you can tell, this is Just quit. We're being serious. All right, so what we're about to do is tweak this exhaust back. If you can tell, it's hanging down on this side, and it's making the muffler hit the floorboard. When it goes over railroad tracks or hits a bump, it makes a lot of noise, and we don't want that. So we got to clock this up pipe, go into the manifold, loosen this up, and push everything up. It'll bring the tail over. Go ahead and break it loose.
Marco can't see.
Push up on it. There you go. I believe you got it loose. You got it. All right, so now we want to go get a screw jack. There should be a screw jack over there. And we'll twist all this up and then tighten it back. You know what a screw jack is? Mary's getting it. See all that crusty shit in there? Her stuff. Crusty stuff. See what we're doing here.
Guys, walk in. Walk in, guys.
That should be tight.
If it falls off, I don't know. So it's okay either way.
I'm afraid it's gonna leak.
I'm about to rip ass.
Please. God. All right, so now we're gonna put his tips on. He's got his mufflers cleaned up. Again, these are a little big, but we're gonna weld them straight to the mufflers. I'm gonna do one, let Traven do the other, because he's a welder man. Jacob, you can weld on it too if you want. I'll just tack it on if you want me to. Does that look straight to you, Traven?
Hang on. Weld it.
On that right side of it.
They're on there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Looks a lot better with some dumps. I think it's going to sound a lot better too.
Try to hit the damn deer, but
And it's straight now.
Here, let me get a picture of it.
Good and straight. All right, let's put all our twos up and lower this thing. See what it sounds like. Okay. Okay, Kim. Okay. You get your picture first.
There you go.
3-inch exhaust looks so good. It's like the perfect exhaust size on the car. So we've patched some holes in his exhaust and got this thing straight now. And there's the tips. They welded them on. So we're gonna lower it down, see what it sounds like after we get our tools. Mike, you going? Give her a go. Yeah, sounds good. How's it sound in the car?
A lot better.
A lot better?
Yeah.
Well, good.